is up, you guys? It has pretty much been a red hot minute since you guys saw me last. My last video, go check it out, was a week in my life with isolation, social distancing, and also the COVID-19. Touches on topics like how I'm dealing with COVID-19, how it's affected my work life, how it's affected my relationship with Jamie working away, and yeah. So basically go check out that video, the things you do when you're in isolation and you are bored out of your brains. Back to the topic as to why we're here today. Jodie dyeing her hair. I had been wanting to dye my hair pink for so long. I couldn't do it because I was getting married and I had this huge image in my head of what I was gonna look like on my wedding day, and obviously it wasn't with pink hair. So yeah, I'm so sorry that didn't happen. I have seen brides with pink hair and they look fucking amazing. Didn't want to take the risk of me fucking it up big time, and then yeah, me obviously turning up to my wedding looking like a fucking fairy floss stick. The much talked about L'Oreal Paris Colorista. This is a washout color. I don't know if you can see that there. It's a pastel pink color. This isn't permanent, guys, so I mean, I'm not that stupid. I'm not that stupid all the time. It has like a little color guide on the back there. I would fall into this category because my hair is quite blonde. I'm super excited. From what I've seen, I've watched other videos and girls doing this and they didn't have enough color in the one tube. For long hair, my hair is not super long, but it's also really thick. So I would need 2 tubes. Had all these on the table for $5. Got 3 just in case. Excited. So yeah, this is what's happening tonight. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know how it's gonna look. I haven't been pink in a really long time. And when I used to scalp bleach a lot. I'm currently just getting foils done, like a full head of foils. This has really grown out too. Yeah, that is what we're working with right now. Watching other girls on YouTube do it and they've got their regrowth and it ended up turning out pretty neat. So I guess we're just gonna like see how it goes. I'm really excited though. Also, Jamie doesn't know I'm doing this. He's gonna come home from work probably this weekend and get a shore fry. What the hell did he marry? How exciting for him. Putting it in, I'm going to section my hair. I'm gonna tie the back up first and maybe start there and work my way to the front. It does say that on the pack that this has a conditioner type effect in it, like it's a moisturizing dye. That sounds really weird to me. Even like rinses, like a temporary dye, normally they dry your hair out pretty good, especially if you already have pre-lightened hair. So I obviously have a leave-in conditioner in the shower, but I also have these to use up from other times that I've dyed my hair blonde. Just those little Garnier ones with the avocado in it. So I'm gonna use these bad boys on my hair because I know my hair dries out super easily anytime that I dye it, or I'm bleaching it or doing it like a darker tone. Even other times where I put like a root fade in, it dries my scalp out. Gonna moisturize it with the deep conditioning treatment. Maybe something you guys might want to look out for when buying it. It doesn't include a conditioner. Obviously your instructions, I'm not gonna read that. The pink hair dye, that's what the tube looks like. Who reads the instructions? Rubber gloves, and that's it. No conditioner, so just pre-warning there. All right, so we're just gonna dive right into it. Let's see how we go. Hey guys, so I have fully saturated my entire head from root to tip in pink hair dye. It says on the pack recommended 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going from the time of the last strand, 15 to 20 minutes from then, because I want to make sure that my entire head is covered. I can get to this color here. I really hope I can get close to that. If not, I'm pretty stoked if it comes out as vibrant as some of the other girls that I've seen on YouTube. Sorry, I had to quickly switch to the GoPro. My phone keeps conking out. So yeah, this is what we're dealing with right now. Yeah, I will leave this on for another 15-20 minutes. I'll rinse it out and I'll come back and see you guys in a tick. I'm gonna go have a glass of wine and chill out for a little bit in the cool air, and then I'll come back to you guys, straighten it, and show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so this is my final look. I'm just going to hold my hair forward so you can see all the different dimensions of all the colors that are going through. In each different light, pink kind of like changes up top here, more where my regrowth is. It's very brassy, so hold as well at the top, I've noticed. And then at the bottom, it really clumps. Obviously, I think it depends on how porous your hair is, and the more porous it is, the more it's going to absorb the color. That was definitely correct for me in this case, because at the bottom here you can see it's quite hot, like hot pink, and then towards the end it's kind of like a peachy color. I'm assuming because that is the ends of my hair where it hasn't like lightened all the way through. So yeah, it's gone like a peachy color instead of pink, but I think it adds to like the kind of like partiness of it all. I'm excited, like I've always wanted to do this. I said I couldn't do it because of the wedding with COVID-19, so what better time to do? Been meaning to do but never had the time to. Definitely very happy with it. It's Very vibrant, very fun and colorful, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone who wants to try something new with their hair that isn't permanent. A rinse only lasts 3 washes. Usually, like if we went out on the jet ski or the boat, like I would end up having to wash my hair that evening. But right now we're not going anywhere, so I won't be washing my hair for like another week. I will give you guys an update then on how much lighter it has gotten. No problems with the dye. It wasn't super messy. I didn't get anything on my forehead, but you guys probably saw me prepping at the start of the video. I did use my QV skin moisturizer in the bathroom and dyeing the hair. It goes everywhere. I think I plopped like a few little drops on the floor and then that was it. It all came out like pretty clear. It wasn't like crazy hectic pink everywhere. Good experience, I think. It just feels really nice and soft. Super happy with it. It's so crazy. There's a mirror behind this camera here and I keep looking at myself because I look so damn different. And yeah, I'm so happy. Okay guys, if you guys like today's video on me dyeing my hair like a crazy woman, be a part of my family down at YouTube, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys next time. Maybe I might go purple? Blue.